Hi, my name is Brian Wickland. I'm an attorney here at Garfinkel Schwartz. I'm in the Titusville office today. We also have an office in Maitland, Florida. Titusville is located near the Space Coast, and we cater to people that work at Port Canaveral and the other ports around Florida that get injured as longshoremen. We also represent Defense Base Act clients, which are injured civilians overseas, and I represent them all across the country. So I travel a lot, but I do it to help people, and I love my job, and I think that this area of law is very complicated and that people really need to be protected by attorneys. These are federal claims, they're very complicated, and not having an attorney, even if you think the insurance company is doing the right thing, is just not a smart move.
Insurance companies rarely pay people at the correct amount. There is a maximum that the Department of Labor allows them to pay, so in certain instances it would be very difficult for them to not pay you the correct amount, but it happens more often than you would suspect. Yeah, the insurance company can cut off your benefits at any time for any reason they choose. Our job is to gather evidence to show that they have incorrectly cut you off and to find the proof that we need to get a claims examiner at the Department of Labor to make a recommendation in your favor, to have your benefits reinstated, and if that doesn't happen, then we will apply to the Office of Administrative Law Judges to get a hearing set for your case to get your benefits reinstated that have been cut off. If you don't have an attorney, you may be not receiving the proper indemnity benefits. The insurance company may have figured your average weekly wage and your compensation rate at an incorrect rate. It would be our job to figure out if you are being paid correctly, and if you're not, then there are things that we can do to make sure that you do get paid the correct amount.
If you have a claim under the Defense Base Act or the Longshore Act and you don't hire an attorney, what happens is that your rights under those acts are now in the control of the insurance company and not you. The rights that I'm talking about are rights to your own doctor, a doctor of your own choosing, the right to proper medical care and proper surgeries that will help you through your time and your injuries. Proper is the key word here. If you allow the insurance company to make those types of decisions instead of you through your attorney, you're not going to get adequate care. You're going to get the cheapest care that the insurance company can find. And also, the insurance company then has the control of saying, okay, you're better now. We don't care what you say. You're better, so we're going to cut off all of your benefits. You can go back to work now, even when you can't. What the insurance companies do behind the scenes is the thing that you need to understand, because they do these things and you don't know about them. If you have an attorney, the attorney knows exactly all their tricks and what they do and what they're trying to do to minimize your claim. For instance, an insurance company right now could be doing surveillance on you. They could be doing functional capacity evaluations on you through your history and your medical history to determine what jobs you can do and what you can't do. Then they can unilaterally start cutting your benefits and start cutting your medical benefits as well, based on their unilateral decision of what's happening to you. You need to have a voice, and with a firm like Garfinkel Schwartz, as soon as they see the name on the letterhead, they're not going to play those games because they know they're going to have to pay for it sooner or later.